little raindrop. Clara the little raindrop landed in the jungle at night. She slept on a leaf. She woke up in the morning. "Where am I?" she asked. "Hello, I am a leaf named Spring. You are in the jungle," said the leaf. "Hello, Spring. My name is Clara." "How did you get here?" asked the big jungle tree. Clara closed her eyes and remembered clouds and thunder. "I think I came in on a cloud." "Are you a leaf too?" asked Clara. "No, I am a tree," the tree answered and laughed. "I have many leaves." When the tree laughed, Spring came loose. Clara and Spring fell toward the ground. They landed in a puddle. Splash! Once on the ground, Clara could see other raindrops in the puddle. They were all happy to see her. "Hello, what's your name?" asked one of them. "My name is Clara. I came here on a cloud," she answered. "Me too," said a big raindrop. "And me," said a little raindrop. "And now what are we going to do?" cried Clara. "We have to wait for more raindrops. Then we will travel down toward the river and the sea," said a raindrop. Clara had never seen the sea. She now sat on a stick to rest. She had just shut her eyes when, boom! She heard a loud thunderclap. More raindrops began to fall in the puddle. They all smiled and said hello to one another. All the raindrops went toward the river. "What fun!" said all the little raindrops. "What is the name of the river?" asked Clara. "It is the Amazon. It is a very big river," said Spring. All the little raindrops sailed down the river. They saw very big trees beside the river. They saw the sky high above the trees. They saw monkeys who played and jumped from tree to tree. The children who swam in the river and fished from they saw children who swam in the river and fished from a canoe. After many days the raindrops came upon rushing water, a lot of water. "What is that?" asked Clara. "It is the sea," said Spring. "How big and beautiful it is," said Clara. Clara said goodbye to her friend Spring as she traveled toward the sea. Clara found a friend in the sea. "Hello, I'm Clara," she said to her new friend, a little seahorse.